Here I am at the beach, having fun. La 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 la. It's a lot of fun. What are you doing? She's just running in circles. She's been doing this for hours. Can't you tell? Look at it. Look at all that she's done. That's taken 2 hours. Man, I bet her legs are like beastly. They're like compared to like mine. Mine, look at them. They're just like hers are like. Can't you tell? She's been doing. I told her to stop. I wanted to go home. She's been doing this forever. Never bring you back tomorrow. Can you do this again? No way, I don't want you to do this again. I'll never bring you back. Never, ever will I bring her back here. Because all she does is run in circles. What you looking at, bird? Whatever. Whatever. I own you. Look at the ball over there. Now she needs an umbrella. Oh, I'm gonna get the birds now. What do you want? What do you want, birds? What do you want? What? What do you want? What do you want? Hey, come back. I just wanted to give you a hot dog and some hamburger buns. Ugh. Come on. I want to. No. Will you be my friend? No. No. They don't want to be my friend. This is the worst day of my life. I have no friends. They don't want my hot dogs and hamburger buns. Which is odd, because they don't mix together. Oh, crap.
Walk back?
Yeah, we should walk back. It's footsteps in sand. That's awkward. Look at her. She's concentrating so hard because she lost her concentration. Oh no. She's going after the birds again. Sorry people, I have a cold. See, it's crazy. I mean, I just got it the other day. And my nose is just wants to run. It's like, please, I want to go running, and it goes running, and then this happens. And oh, a hole! Ah, she fell in a hole. She did that with one jump. Now she's putting it back in. Man, you really jumped in here fast. You must have jumped so hard. You were like, hoo! And all the sand went poof. What we need is water, like my New York accent. Water. We need water and probably a cup of coffee to put this all back together. You're gonna hit me too, aren't you? I know you are. They don't want to be your friends. They're not gonna be my friend if they're not gonna be your friend. Ew, seaweed. Meh. Meh. Maybe I can cook it. No. It'll give me the runs. Not just up here, but down here, you know what I mean? No. Never mind. This is just so beautiful. The most beautiful sea ever. Where to go? You ruined it. You ruined my moment. Now I'm forever haunted by her moment ruining.
Not really.
Yes, really. She'll forever be known as the moment ruiner. Or by saying, hey, look at me! That's not even what she said. I tell her to stop jumping, but she keeps making these big holes. And she's got feathers because she's pulling them off the birds. She runs up to them and, well no, actually she sneaks up to them. See, that's her sneaking up. See, she knows she's on camera, so she's not big one. Speed runner. Oh. they got to the finish line. Oh, you can't see them anymore. Oh man. This is gonna be awkward. I'm gonna come here again. I'm not gonna bring her, like I said earlier. And ooh, wave. That's what's gonna happen to my face the next time I come here. I'm gonna be out there doing that stuff, and it's gonna be like boom, 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 boom. What are you doing? Wait, I thought I just saw a double wave. Oh crap, oh no. Oh no, she's using her magical powers. She's trapped me in this circle. And it's not a perfect circle, so those sea bears are gonna come get me. Crap, I'm dead. This circle's not gonna protect me. Yours isn't even a circle. Yours is half a circle. Or maybe a quarter. Oh, sorry, it's a V circle. Oh wait, this is a giant bee? What's this gonna protect me against? Sea bees? I doubt it. I thought I need. Oh no, wait. That's underwear for the sea rhinoceroses. I don't know. I can't think of a good ending to end this with. Oh crap! I passed the line. Oh crap! I'm not dead. She says I'm not dead. She let me live longer. She's letting me live. She's so kind to me. Anyway, I'ma go. You peeps, keep looking good like you always do. I'm not gonna do that again. Just now. Permission granted, I get to live longer. Yay! Look, birds. Say bye, birds. 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 You can't see the birds. They're invisible. They're invisible birds to the camera. Peace, yo. But back. Maybe. Never. I don't know. I passed it twice. Oh crap. Oh crap. I'm dead. I died.
Okay.
Hey, Sam. I'm dead now.